Hey guys, Dan Kraus here again. Before I get started working on this Camry with a bunch of dents and scratches in it, I just thought I would just talk for a second about me. So I quit my job as a body technician of the last 12, 15 years. And yeah, so I took the plunge and I started a business. The business is Southwest Michigan PDR. So you can find me at southwestmichiganpdr.com. I'm working on a Facebook page right now, and you guys can all follow me there too if you want, and just type in Southwest Michigan PDR on Facebook and I will come up. So yeah, I'm pretty excited, super nervous. I've been doing PDR for about 3.5 years now, but I work my tail off, guys. I have been training and practicing all the time, constantly. So I gave up a lot of other things to do that, and I think it's paying off really well. I'm getting a lot better. I'm certainly not the best PDR technician, but that's going to come with time and the more I practice. So hopefully this can be an encouragement to you guys who maybe feel like you're stuck at a body shop. Maybe PDR is for you, you know. It requires a lot of dedication, a lot of patience. So, I mean, kind of like body work, but not really. It just depends on who you are. So anyways, that's me. I'm going to get into it on this Camry. Thank you guys for all subscribing and being so helpful in the comments and just kind of leading me in the right direction or giving me tips. That's been super helpful. So thank you for that. Yeah, let's fix some dents. Okay, so basically we've got, I don't know, probably 8 or 9 dents in the door here, in the rear door. Real small dents, none of them are very big. There's one kind of strange one towards the back. And the front door's got a few little dings as well, so we'll take care of those. Paint's pretty messed up, so I'm gonna give this thing a good buff. And yeah, there's a couple dents on the other side I'll get to, but we'll start with these. All right, so I got most of the dents out. I'm going to go ahead and buff this thing and see how clean this comes out. It's pretty gross. Lots of deep scratches, but silver usually buffs out pretty good. So we'll give it a go. All right, so this is after the glue pull on the left rear door. There's kind of a weird spot down there. Looked like somebody had already been in. So we'll just go through the wiring hole in the rear door and use a sharp pick and get the rest of these cleaned up. Alrighty, so I'm all done with the driver's side. Got both doors all straightened out. So we'll move on to the right side. Alright, so I'm just gonna do a quick before and after on the right front door. 4 dents there. Alright, so we will give this one final look. It's all buffed out. Got the dents in the deck lid all out. And the door, the right door here, turned out real good. Gave it a nice buff. We'll get this thing washed up and back to the customer. Okay, so sometimes when you think you're done, you're not actually quite done. So I think, see, there's some scratches in this door. I mean, it was really scratched up. Lady was hauling her garbage can, holding it, you know, out the window, basically, with her arm. And it was just, that's where all the dents and scrapes and stuff came from. So she's got a long driveway. I don't think she's gonna be doing that anymore. It's fine with me. I'll just do it again. But yeah, so we're gonna wet sand this all with some 3000 and see if we can make this look even better. All right, there we go. Looks a lot better. I'm glad that I took the extra time and wet sanded this all out. There were some real deep scratches in there, so yeah. Looks good, I'm happy. All right guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.